This is Lesson 2 homework, Problem 1, letter A. The directions state to label and represent the product or quotient drawing discs on the place value chart. Before I start, I'm going to label my place value chart. Next, I'm going to draw number discs on my place value chart to find the value of 10 times 4,000. And I'm going to start in the thousands place. So I'm going to start off by drawing 10 discs in the thousands column 4 times. Now, if you count up all the discs in the thousands place, you will see that there are 40 discs in the thousands place, which is 10 times 4 thousands, which equals 40 thousands. 40 thousands can now be represented in another way. Keep in mind, when you have 10 of one unit, you can bundle it and move it to the next unit or the next column. So that's what we're going to do now. We're going to take bundles of 10 and move it to the next column to the left, which is in the 10,000s column. Now that I have bundles of 10, I can move them to the next unit. My 40 thousands have now been bundled and moved to the next unit, and now represents 4 10,000s. So the solution to number 1, letter A, is 10 times 4 thousands equals 40 thousands, which equals 4 10,000s. Okay, the next problem we're going to do on lesson 2 is number 2. We're going to fill in the blanks to complete each number sentence. You need to respond first in the units form, then in standard form. Let's start with the first problem, 10 times 3 tens. We're going to go in unit form first. 10 times 3 is 30. And since we are staying in the same unit, it will be 30 tens. 30 tens in standard form is 300. Next, I'm going to skip down to 9 10,000s divided by 10 so we can try a division problem. Remember that when we are doing a division expression or moving left to right on a place value chart, that division reverses the process and we now go to the right. So 9 10,000s divided by 10 will give you 9 thousands in unit form, which in standard form translates to 9,000.